What is good? We are back with another pickup, man. Got some drops from Hatclub in the mail. Hope everybody holiday is going good. I know the mail is going super slow right now, man, as far as your packages and everything going on. Like literally, I had 2 packages dropped off at 2 different times. I guess they have, I don't know, like out here in California, they'll have a specific truck that's delivering mail if it's coming regular priority mail. And then they'll have one that's just straight doing package deliveries, which mine came with my regular mail driver. Then the other one came with basically the other one just doing the package. I was, at first I was like, oh man, they didn't drop my package somewhere. I lost it. It then went somewhere else. But nah, it just came on that second round delivery, man. It came like about 7 o'clock at night. But I got them both, man. And this one in particular, we got 2 drops of the same team because I just had to have them. And they didn't have my size. One of them, shout out to my boy Luis at Hatclub. This one, I literally had to get ordered with him on the line. You heard me talking about it on the last video. This was one of the drops that he came through on. The other one, I just so happened to be going back on there. And you'll see when I show you the pickup that I just wanted it because I wanted that specific team because they already had the other team in that specific style. So that's the backdrop on those. One, I got the super assist from Luis with the no look. You know what I'm saying? He actually made a call. I guess it was at another store. They got it shipped out. They took care of your boy. So with that being said, we're going to get right into them so you can see what I'm talking about, man. So let's get through with this intro, man, and we're going to get into it. All right, like I said, we're going to get into pickup. This is actually pickup number 2, but we're going to do this one first because this one, once you see, you'll get the gist of what's going on. And I can already tell if you guys follow Facebook, either Instagram, Twitter, and the IG. If you made some purchases within the last 2 weeks, they were throwing in a lot of extra, and I can tell you now, there's extra in here because hats don't make this much noise. So we definitely going to jump right in this one and see what's going on because now I'm kind of excited to see what's going on because they had a nice little assortment of things they would throw on to you. You know what I mean? Nice little things. Just some needed things, basically, that you wouldn't really think of. But, they just threw it in there as kind of like a little thank you for shopping with them. You know what I'm saying? So some of them, they did surprises. Some of them, they told you what they were actually going to throw in. I think they did like a 12 days of Christmas type deal. So this one, I don't actually know what this one qualified for as far as the secret drop in the box. So we don't actually see what that's about before we even get to the hat. And hold up. Oh, this is nice. Oh, good looking out, Hatclub. Check this out, man. The crepe protection for your hat. This one, I didn't even see them promoting this, that they were throwing this in the box, but this is a, man, for sure, good looking out on this one, man. Because I was using basically kind of like an off-brand for just like usually my white hats, but this one, oh, lasts up to 6 months, and it's a name brand, and it can go on anything. This, you definitely know what's going on, man. So, yeah, good looking out on this one with the no-look assist on the crepe protect for the hat protection. And there's actually some other stuff in here. They got the bronze Hatclub exclusive pin. Good looking out on that. I'm starting to actually get a nice little selection and collection of the little Hatclub pins. And now this one, I seen them promoting that they were throwing in the box, the Super Hatclub stress ball thing. And anybody know you're grown, you pay bills, rent, and mortgages. You definitely, this will be close behind, if not in my pocket. So good looking out on that Hatclub. But now we're going to get into the hat. Like I said, this one was so nice, I had to do it twice. But I'm going to give you the background on this, pulling this hat out first. Rally cap. New York Yankees. As you know, I already had the other one, which was the Dodgers rally cap. I just wanted to have this one to like complete the set. But the reason why I got this one also, this one, as you notice, doesn't have the retro fit sticker on there. This actually fits like a regular, I want to say it's still a 5950, but the other one fits kind of like smaller because I guess the hats were smaller for the retro like kind of fit. So that's another thing I wanted to judge. I wanted to see, and just right off the top, opening it up, it feels like a regular size 59 fitted, which the other one, when I tried it on, it was much smaller. So I definitely wanted to get this in the regular game fit because I had noticed looking, it does say, you know, Rally Cap Retro Fit or Rally Cap Game Fit. So this one, as you know, this is the Game Fit. It doesn't have that extra sticker on the side, which is that. And another thing I liked about these too, like I said, they actually have the logo stitched on the inside and everything, still like pretty much if it was a regular hat. And I just wanted this one in a navy color. As you know, the LA Dodger one has the Dodger blue like type color. So I wanted this one because if I do get somewhere on these with some of my kicks, I want it to be, you know, color matching to match with whatever, especially with the band on the outside and everything. You have your Hatclub pin on there, of course. But so that's why I definitely wanted this. And I'm not gonna lie, because these dropped all the way down to like 15 bucks in clearance. I literally, if I can get my hands on it, I might order the actual Dodger Rally Cap in the Game Fitted. And it won't be any reason for me to keep two. So once I check into that, if I'm able to grab that, I may do like a giveaway. I don't know how many people wear size 8s. I may do a giveaway. You know, somebody might want it for their collection because I'm not going to wear two of the same hat, being that I can get it in a regular Game Fit and have that retro fit. So stay on the lookout for that, man. If I'm able to grab the Dodger one in the regular Game Fit, I will be just doing, you know, nothing fancy. You got to do this, and all that. I'll just maybe ask a specific question. Whoever the first one comes up with it gets the size 8 if you wear a size 8, or even if you don't wear a size 8, you just want the hat for a little collector's edition because Dodgers are your favorite team, then, you know, you get a free hat. Why not? So stay tuned for that. I may look into that, especially after the holiday with everything going on, because it'll probably be no way to get here by Christmas unless I get to get down to the Hatclub store that's close to me. So again, stay tuned for that. And with that being said, we're going to get into the pickup from Luis that he did the no look assist on, like I said. Now this one, it was hands down, I had to have it when I seen it, and they wind up running out of my size. But like most people say, call Luis, he works his magic, man. He finds what you're looking for if they have it, and they had it. So this one, I mean, it may be regular to some people, but for me, it was just, I don't know, it was just one of those things, man. But yo, check this out, man. And of course, without that being said, got the pen. But yeah, man, check this out real quick. Now, this is your New York Yankees basic fitted, but this is what sold me on it. With the World Series underlining, man. Now, I know to some people it may not be a big deal, but I just seen it. It's different. I had to have it, man. As you see, it has every World Series insignia on the inside of the cap. It has like a silky type feeling to it. And another thing I loved about it too when I looked at it, got a little strand of length there. If you notice, the new era on the side is done in a metal. It's done in a metal type. It's not sewn in. And it's pretty sturdy. You know what I mean? It's not anything. If you look on the inside, you really can't see like the metal bolts or anything. So they got it in there nice and secure, man. So that was definitely another seller on me. Like at first glance, you would think it's a regular New York Yankees cap, but it's not. You know what I mean? Because of this under and because of this metal new era, it's definitely going to stand out. And like I said, most people won't get a look under here and notice what it's about, but you know, it does look, oh, and just by touching, I almost forgot, that suede gray underbill. Yes, that is a suede gray underbill, like a suede nubuckish type feel to it. So yeah, you can feel it a little bit. Come on, I don't know if I can get on there, you can really see it. I almost forgot about that because I knew it was like more than those couple of selling points as far as the hat. But yeah, this is a nice little, you know what I mean? Nice little luxury cap feel to it, you know what I'm saying, with a special feel, especially if you're a big Yankees fan. I'm a big, as far as, I won't say Yankees fan because I'm not really a baseball fan, but I'm big on classic logos and classic feel. And I think they really hit it out of the park with this liner on the inside, especially with all the World Series they won. And they wanted to make it feel and look different. Like I said, with that metal new era on the side. Then they hit you with that suede-ish nubuck underbill on the bottom. I think they kind of, I mean, they hit it out the park making it a classic cap because they kept it classic, but they wanted to give it that nice little, you know, luxury type feel. And I think they hit that out the ballpark with all that being said and done with it, man. So I think it's nice, had to have it. Shout out to Luis, man, for looking out for your boy, getting this done. You know what I mean? So that's the 2 online pickups. Stay tuned, definitely, as you get all New York feel, baby. You know what I'm saying? Brooklyn, we made it. I don't know. Biggie said it in the movie. It was a big thing. I don't know. We made it. Best I don't know. But yeah, all New York Yankees pick up right now. definitely stay tuned. I got so much more coming in. I got stuff here now. The holidays coming up. It's the weekend before Christmas. I'm gonna try to pump out what I can because, of course, I'm pretty sure, like most people, everybody has a lot of stuff going on. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get this. I'm gonna try to drop maybe 2 in 2 days. Most people know how hard that is, you know, especially if you try to touch up this, edit that. So I'm gonna try to get these out as clean as possible just to get more drops out before then, because I really don't want to get backed up with stuff that I got to put out that was for the holiday, way after the holiday, which is the case because I got some sitting down. I got some more Hatclub coming in. I'm gonna make another trip down to the Hatclub store. So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna try to get it out to y'all as soon as possible. Got your rally cap pickup, game fit pickup. And you got your, I'm going to call it my luxury New York Yankees World Series edition hat. So let me know what you think down below if you was able to pick one up. If you wasn't able to pick one up, I know for a fact the Yankees, the little luxury one, is not on the site anymore. Like I said, I had to call about that. These you can still pick up if you just want it for a nice little collector's, you know what I'm saying, in your collection. These are in the clearance right now for $15. So it's not a bad deal for $15 to get something that's different, not in the ordinary, that you're not going to see every day. At least that's my philosophy. Because if anybody knows me, watch my videos, my big thing is I don't want to look or dress like everybody else and have the same thing. We know about what happens with the Bread 11s. We seen that fiasco. I'm pretty sure after those came out, if you hit the mall, there was about 50 people wearing them. You know what I'm saying? So me personally, I have Bread 11s, not this year's release, but yeah, if you had them already and those came out, definitely put them on ice, man, because everybody about to be wearing them for the holiday. You don't want to show up to the family function, man, and the whole family got on breads, man, from the babies to the adults. It's crazy. Anyway, man, it's your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to try to give it to y'all in the next 2 days, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Hit me down below. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that thumbs up, man. You already know me, man. I'm a regular guy. Let me know what you think down below, man. And I'll try to answer everybody and get back with everybody. That's the pickups, man. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. I'm out.